Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now I am going to see Reshaping India's in Political Map, Grade 8, Chapter 2. Question number 1. Which empire strongly resisted Delhi Sultan? Answer option B, Vijayanagara.
Question number 2. Mansabdari system belongs to A. Sultan, B. Mughals, C. Vijayanagara, D. Rajput. Answer option B. Mughals. Question number 3. Ikta system belongs to option A. Mughals, option B. Sultan, option C. British, option D. Marathas. Answer option B. Sultan. Question number 4. Delhi Sultan ruled mainly from option A. Mumbai, option B. Delhi, option C. Agra, option D. Kolkata. Answer option B. Delhi. Question number 5. Mansabdari system was introduced to option A. Promote farming, option B. Organize administration and army, option C. Spread religion, option D. Increase trade. Answer option B. Organize administration and army. Question number 6. Ikta system was used for option A. Trade, option B. Land revenue administration, option C. Religion, option D. Education. And answer is option B. Land revenue administration. Question number 7. The Mughal Empire started in which century? Option A 14th, option B 15th, option C 16th, option D 17th. Answer option C 16th. Question number 8. Vijayanagara Empire was mainly in option A North India, option B South India, option C East India, option D West India. Answer option D South India. Question number 9. Battle of Saikat was fought by option A Rajput, option B Ahom, option C Marathas, option D British. Answer option D Ahoms. Question number 10. When was Battle of Saikat fought? Option A 1761, option B 1671, option C 1776, option D 1726. Answer option B 1671. Question number 11. Who introduced token currency? Option A Alauddin Khilji, option B Muhammad bin Tughlaq, option C Qutbuddin Aibak, option D Iltutmish. Answer option B Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question number 12. Name the tax removed by Akbar. Option A Jizya, option B South, option C Sardeshmukhi, option D Jauhar. Answer option A Jizya. Number 13. The Vijayanagara Empire was founded by option A Narasimhadeva I, option B Harihara and Bukka, option C Muhammad bin Tughlaq, option D Maharana Pratap. Answer option B Harihara and Bukka. The system which allows people to transfer money without carrying cash. Option A gold, option B hundi, option C tax, option D army. Answer option B hundi. Question number 15. Mughal rule strongest under option A Babur, option B Akbar, option C Humayun, option D Aurangzeb. Answer option B Akbar. Question number 16. Babur defeated option A Akbar, option B Ibrahim Lodi, option C Aurangzeb, option D Rana Pratap. Answer option B Ibrahim Lodi. Question number 17. Sikh resistance led by option A Guru Nanak, option B Guru Gobind Singh, option C Gambhir, option D Akbar. Answer option B Guru Gobind Singh. Question number 18. Akbar policy called
Option A jizya, option B sulkaikul, option C mansab, option D iqta. Answer option B sulkaikul. Question number 19. Sulkaikul policy means. Answer option C religious tolerance. Question number 20. Delhi Sultan dynasty totals. Answer option B 5. Question number 21. Aurangzeb named himself. Answer option B Alamgir. Question number 22. Which battle marked the end of Vijayanagara Empire? Answer option A Battle of Talaikota. Question number 23. Who founded the Mughal Empire in India? Answer option D Babur. Question number 24. Which fort is built by Rana Kumbha is famous for 36-kilometer wall? Answer option C Kumbhagara Fort. Question number 25. Who established the Khalsa in 1699? Answer option C Guru Gobind Singh. Question number 26. Who composed Amukta Malyada? Answer option B Krishna Deva Raya. Question number 27. Which temple was built by Narasimha Deva I to celebrate victories? Answer option B Surya Temple at Konark. Question number 28. What system Agum used to mobilize men for military and labor duties? Answer option A Pake system. Question number 29. Akbar's finance minister. Answer option B Todar Mal. Question number 30. The Vijayanagara Empire capital was located. Answer option B Hampi.